Morning to you.
Hello.
That last slug of whiskey was a mistake.
One night when I was frisky, from too much pole to whiskey, like the waves on the Bay of Biscay, I began to tremble and roar. I fell
Glad to hear it.
red like a lobster. I fell and broke my poor nose.
I am never drinking again. Until later today.
Morning, Arthur.
Hey, Tilly.
Hey, you recovered from Sean's party?
Yeah. Don't know if he has.
Good morning, Arthur.
Gonna join me here, Arthur?
Hey, Arthur! What do you want?
Uncle told me something about a train.
What did he say?
Mary Beth overheard something about a train full of wealthy folk rolling down through Scarlet Meadows just south of the state border.
Yes.
Need help with it?
I ain't even sure about doing it.
Come on. At night, not too guarded, it's perfect.
I ain't thought it through. Stopping a train, pain in the ass.
Sure, but what if we could force a train to stop?
Well, of course.
We get a wagon full of something flammable, oil. Put it on the tracks. They see it. They know they either have to stop or die. Ain't no train driver wants to be cooked alive.
That is kind of brilliant. For you. That is a real idea. I think that's the first time you ever had one of them.
Shut up.
You might be the first bastard to ever have half his brains eaten by a wolf and end up more intelligent.
So we doing it?
Yeah, we're gonna need ammunition, guns, look real frightening, and some dynamite to open up the train.
I'll get the supplies. Gotta head into town for Abigail anyway. Don't even ask. You go find us an oil wagon.
Yeah, I know just the place. They're always heading into that refinery.
There's an old rundown shack just over the border, north of a place called Dewberry Creek. Leave it hidden somewhere near there.
Why don't you sit a while, Arthur?
Hey,
What you preparing for?
The greatest of gifts.
An unguarded stagecoach.
No, you simple-minded fool. Bison.
Bison?
Bison. From which you can get anything. There's some over on the plains, I believe. I saw a couple a long way off.
Oh. Good luck.
You want to come with me? I'll show you how we hunt one.
Sure. Why not?
Mount up then. Let's go.
Let's go, girl.
You know, it was before my time, of course, but my mother used to tell me stories of how her tribe moved with the bison. They lived almost as one. Where the bison went, my people went. And they were the center of all life. We couldn't survive without them. They provided us with everything. Food, clothing, shelter, tools. There was a lot of respect.
Huh. I don't remember much of my childhood, but I think my people, well, we pretty much moved with the whiskey.
Well, my father did that too. Let's try over here, to the left. Over there. You see them all? Incredible, aren't they? We should only kill one of them. I'll keep them ringed in and you see if you can bring one down. Okay? Clean as you can.
Okay.
Done. All right. Skin and butcher it. Take the horns, too. It can all be used.
Just hold on there, girl.
Good job. Stow that on your horse and mount up. I wanna go check something out.
Okay, let's go. All right, girl. Where are we going?
I thought I saw some scavenger birds over here. Just wanted to see what attracted them. Oh, look. Bison. Shot and left for dead, it looks like.
Why would someone do that?
I don't know. But I see tracks heading in this direction. I say we follow them.
All right, lead the way. Been dead a couple of days at least. Could it have been an animal?
No, they've been shot. I just don't know why anybody would just leave them here to rot like that. Look, another dead bison. On the hill to the right. Come on. Shot and left for dead again. But this one looks fresher.
There's a camp there. I'm gonna take a look. Dogs haven't gone cold yet. Maybe half a day since they left.
Bison's been dead about the same amount of time.
So what do you want to do?
They could still be in the area. Let's get up higher, see if we spot anything. This way. We should have a good view from up here. Okay. You see anything? Arthur, look. Smoke to the north. Could be another camp.
Let's go check it out. Sorry, girl.
killing for fun?
You think we can talk?
I don't kill for fun. I kill when I need to. Look, more dead bison. It has to be them. Come on.
Wait up. Yep.
Did you fools shoot those bison?
What's your problem?
I said, did you fools shoot those bison?
Calm down, you black or red bastard, whatever the fuck you are.
Did you shoot them?
Yes, we did. We shot them bison, we'll shoot you too if you don't get...
What business is it of yours? What? We...
It's that business of mine!
Good God, you're crazy! I got a family. A family. Don't shoot me.
Stand back, Charles. I'll get you some answers.
What the hell are you doing?
Why are you killing those bison and leaving them to rot?
I don't know what you're talking about.
God damn it, tell us or you're dead.
Oh, okay. We were paid to kill as many as we could and make it look like it was Indians.
Just kill him, Arthur.
No, please, don't kill me. I'm begging you.
All right, now get out of here.
Just don't shoot me, mister. I got a family.
Then run away.
Why did you do that?
He didn't need to die. Maybe he'll go tell his friends now what happens to poachers.
I've seen enough of this. I'm heading back.
Okay. I'm gonna see if there's anything worth taking from their camp. I'll catch up with you later.
Talk all you want, lady. It won't make no difference.
Prison transport. Keep clear.
This isn't right. Let me out of here. It weren't my fault. I don't deserve to be locked up.
Like we haven't heard that before.
Come on, please. Let me out of here.
Oh, just shut up. Shut up.
Yep. All right, girl. Yeah, good girl.
Can't be coming around here.
Oh, I hear you.
Whoa now. This here's private property. Get on.
Yeah. Okay, girl. Hey, you're okay, girl. There, girl. Yeah, you're all right, girl. Yeah. There, girl. You done good, girl.
Help a fella out.
Good girl.
You got a problem?
I'm going to the store.
Welcome back.
Yep. So it goes.
Morning.
How goes, friend?
Hope we'll enjoy eating that.
I can give you a little.
Tell him you saw me.
Much appreciated. Lightens my load. Thank you for your help. Come on, girl.
What the hell's wrong with you?
Hey there. Hey there, partner.
Where you going?
There's a
Hang on a second.
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah,
anybody
won't
ever
take
tell you
long,
them
girl.
masks is for cowards?
Okay, girl. You're all right, girl. Good girl. Yep. You're all right. You okay? Yeah. Yeah, you're doing good. You're good. Easy. Whoa. Here. Yeah. All right, girl. Yep. Okay, boy. I ain't gonna hurt you. Shh, 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 shh. Nice and easy. That's it, nice and easy. Hey now. There we go. Settle down. Okay, let's keep at it. Easy, easy. See? There we are. You're okay, boy. Easy there. Come on. Hey there. Yeah. Who goes there? Arthur, dumbass.
You can tell me later.
Hello, Arthur.
All right, girl. Lenny,
Hey, Arthur.
that knife's sharp enough, ain't it?
Depends. Why? You feel lucky?
Do you?
Oh, before me, at least 6 generations were born in chains. And for the last 3 years, I've been running from every lawman and bounty hunter west of the Lannahechee River. So yeah, I feel lucky. I'm the living embodiment of luck.
That is one way of seeing things.
But I'm also skilled. And in this game, you got to have luck and skill.
And stupidity.
The Outlaw's Trinity. Luck, skill, and just a dose of stupidity. Come on, you ain't too old and too slow just yet.
After you.
As you wish. You know, we should head back up that mountain sometime and make Jenny a proper grave. Something nice. Don't worry, I already sent a wire to the doctor for you. Oh, you little...
Now, let me see. I knew I had you. Now, watch me.
Come on, get it while it's hot!
So, there we go. That was fun.
Later.
Hello, Arthur.
Looks real heavy in Blackwater, Dutch. Posters of you and Hosea everywhere, Trelawney said.
All the more reason to stay well away for now.
I got no intention of going back anytime soon.
Hello, Arthur.
So, you had fun partying with Sean again?
Well, not as much fun as Karen did.
I don't think she thought that when she sobered up.
The thing is...
Hello, Reverend.
Thing is, Dutch, it isn't... Hello there. Well, what's the plan? I mean, after Blackwater, we don't want any more deaths.
You busy, Arthur?
Did you see that woman Mary Gillis about?
Yes. Yes, I did.
I never liked her.
I know, you already told me that.
Ideas above her station. Above anyone's station, that one. How are you? All well?
Right as rain.
Glad to hear it.
Hey, Sean.
Hello, Arthur. Hi there.
Why don't you sit, Arthur? You okay, Arthur?
I guess.
You seem kind of worried.
Of course I'm worried.
What about?
The whole world's changing. Even I see that now. Our time is pretty much past. They don't want folk like us no more. It's their rules will be damned with you. No more outlaws. No more killers. Now it's us being hunted. Oh, they ain't stopping. We went and made our choices a long time ago, so... I guess we gotta pay for our sins.
Oh, Arthur. What a sad world we live in.
Well, I ain't sad, Mary Beth. I'm just... realistic about what's coming. But I keep killing animals. Needlessly. And... I don't know.
Arthur. Oh, Arthur. You're the only one of these fools knows just how lost he is.
Ain't that the truth? Ain't that the truth?